What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw the genie from Aladdin. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the left side of the nose. We're going to start right in the middle, go out toward the left. I'm just going to bend that back in towards the center. Let's round out the tip of the nose and just bend that up towards the right side. Now I'm going to draw on the top of the cheeks. On the left side of the nose, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and then out. Line this up on the right and do the same thing, going up and out. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the nose. We're going to draw an oval for the left eye. We're going to go up, round at the eye, come down and in on top of the cheek. Now let's line this up over on the right. We'll start up here, come in and up towards the same height, and then back down on top of the cheek. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval, line that up on the right, and we'll fill the pupils in black. Now from here, we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start underneath the cheek on the left side. We're going to curve this down, go in towards the side of the nose, continue on the right, going out and then up. Let's add that fold. We're going to step in, curve this up and then out. Let's go to the corner of the mouth. We're going to bend the mouth coming down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's round out the corner of the mouth, come all the way around the bottom, and then bend that up towards the right side. Along the top, we're going to add a curve for the teeth, starting on the left, and it's down, across, and then up. Let's do the same thing across the bottom, starting out here, coming down, and then bend that up. Now I want to separate the teeth with these short lines, starting in the center, going up. Let's add one more on either side. We're just going to aim towards the center of the forehead, and then we'll do the same thing across the bottom, starting in the middle, go out towards the side, come down and out. Along the bottom, we're going to add the tongue. So let's start on the left. We're going to go up, come down in the center, and just bend that out towards the right. Now we're going to create that fold. We're going to step back, going up towards the same height, and then down. Let's go to the outside of the head and draw the profile edge of the cheeks. We're going to start up here. We're going to bend this around the corner of the mouth, and then in. Now we're going to bend this out, and just curve around the chin towards the bottom. Go across the right side. Bend that up and then in towards the cheek. Let's go back underneath this fold. We're going to draw the edge of the beard. We're going to come down and then bend that out. Let's draw the outside edge of the beard. Starting from this point, we're just going to curve this around. Just going to follow the curve of the head coming in towards the middle. Now let's draw a swirl. We're going to come around and then in. Let's come back around the outside, up towards the right. I'm just going to trace the head going around and then blend that up towards the side. Let's fill the inside of the beard in black. Now let's go back up to the top of the cheeks. We're going to bend the side of the head coming in towards the eye and then out. Let's curve the brow. We'll go all the way up toward the top and then bend that down to the inside. Now I want to add some thickness to the brow. Starting from the inside, we're going to go up and then around towards the side of the head. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now from the top of the brow, we're going to add a fold, coming in and then down on either side. And we'll tuck the top of the head in behind. So we're going to step out, curve this up, and then down. In the center, we're going to draw a half circle, going up and then down. Now let's pull the hair over towards the left side. We're going to start on the left side of that half circle, bend this up, go out, and then up towards a point. Bend this in, and then across. Let's add another point, going out and up. Just going to come around the right side and then back down towards the right side of that half circle. I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of that hair. Now let's move to the side of the head and draw in the ears. We're going to start from this curve. We're going to bend the ear going up and then out. Let's round out the tip of the ear. We're going to come down the side, around the cheek, and then out. And we'll curl the earlobe back in towards the side of the head. Now I want to do the same thing on the right, but we're going to stop right around the bottom of the earlobe. Let's layer the earring on top. So from here we're going to step in, curl around, and then back in. Go back to the left side, we're going to curl this around, go out, and just trace that back in towards the ear. Now along the top of the ear, we're going to add that fold. So we're going to step down, follow that curve going up towards the top, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw the genie from Aladdin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.